Hi, in this lesson, we're going to look at some additional string methods we can use in our programs. As a reminder, we've already learned 12 different string methods. We use these to manipulate our strings in different ways or to check if a string matches a certain condition. In this lesson, we're going to add 4 more methods to our toolbox. The first method we'll learn about is the strip method. The strip method will remove any white space that may be present at the beginning or end of a string. You may be wondering why this method is helpful. Well, it's all about formatting. In a future lesson, we're going to look at bringing in data from another source, and we may have no idea how this data was formatted before it comes to us. We can use this method to clean the data and make sure it is in a usable state before we process it further. Let's look at this example. If we have this variable greeting with the string hello mom written with extra space at the start and end of the string, and we call the strip method on it and print the result, we will see that the string will be printed with the letter H at the start and the letter M at the end. The space in between the words is still present, but the spaces that came before and after the letters are removed. The replace method will replace any value that matches the old value parameter in the string with the new value that has been given. If we have this variable greeting that holds the string what's happening, and we call the replace method on it with the character A as the old value and the @ symbol as the new value and print the result, we will see that the string will be printed with all the lowercase a letters being replaced by @ symbols. The find method takes an element as a parameter, and this can be just one character or multiple, and returns the index of where that element first occurs in the string. If the element is not present anywhere in the string, -1 will be returned. If we have this variable greeting holding the string hello, and we call the find method on it with the letter L and print the result, we will be told that the letter L is first found at index 2. If we use the same method with the letter A, we will be given an index value of -1, which tells us that this character is not found anywhere in the string. The count method takes an element as a parameter and returns the number of times that element occurs in the string. If we have this variable greeting holding the string hello, and we call the count method on it with the letter L and print the result, we will be told that there are 2 letter L's in the string. If we use the same method with the letter A, we will see that there are no letter A's in the string. In this lesson, we learned how to use 4 more string methods in our programs.